So you might think this looks like some kind of hacking or a Photoshop, but in truth, this ain't any. This is 100% legit, and we also have not broke any YouTube's policies for it. In fact, it's just not many people have found this trick, that's why nobody knows about it. Now if you don't believe this, and still think this is some kind of Photoshop, you can check this by clicking to the first link in the description, which will take you straight to a video that's on my second channel. Now, to explain you better, let's head to my second channel. It used to have a channel name, it used to have a title to a video, and it used to show my subscribers. Obviously you know how to hide your subscribers. But if you don't, you can click the link above, or find the video for it in the description. Now on YouTube, you're not supposed to be able to have no title to a video, and you're not supposed to be able to have no channel name. But somehow I have managed to find a way to make your channel look like this. And every single one of you is watching this right now can do it. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. However, in return, all I ask is a like on this video, and a subscribe would be amazing to support us bringing this kind of contents to you. With that said, let's get straight into it. Now, you can try and put some space instead of words in the title, but the YouTube won't let you do it. But if you put some secret characters, it will do the trick. This character remains invisible, and won't show up in YouTube. Now, when I say characters, I mean anything like any letter of the alphabet, or number. Now in the description below, the first line will be the link to my second channel, and on the second line will be invisible title name. In front of it, in brackets, you can see a space containing nothing. But actually there's an invisible character in there. So if you copy these character, and paste it in your title, and save it, it will make an invisible title. And that's how you make your title invisible. Now, if you try, and apply this on the channel name, this won't work. So, to make your channel name invisible, you just have to use other secret character which I have pasted in the description, in front of invisible channel name in brackets. Now, you must edit it on Google. If you don't know how to do this, then click on your icon logo. Go to your YouTube studio. At the bottom, click on settings. This will take you to this screen, then click on channel. And click edit on Google account. That will then take you to this screen. Over here just copy the secret character that I have mentioned in the description, and paste it in your name. And then, click OK. And it's done. So now the channel name will be 100% invisible. And it can be seen everywhere, like on desktop as well as on any mobile devices. So now you know this cool trick, so try it out, and comment us your friend's reaction. Now, I also have a playlist of Easter eggs like this. If you want to check it out, click on the link above, or you can find it in the description below. And if you have any other information, or just a glitch on YouTube that you have found, you can comment below to let us know. Now, if you think this was pretty interesting, hit the like, and share with your friends. And to support me bringing this kind of content, click subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notifications. So, until then, thanks for watching.